Welcome back to Glazer. In today's video, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to the land down under. Get ready to explore the 15 best places to visit in Australia. From the iconic Sydney Opera House and the stunning Great Barrier Reef to the rugged beauty of the outback and the vibrant culture of Melbourne, Australia is a traveler's paradise. These destinations offer something for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or a city explorer. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into Australia's most amazing travel spots. Sydney Opera House, an architectural masterpiece and one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Sydney Opera House is a multi-venue performing arts center located at Sydney Harbour. Opened in 1973 and designed by Danish architect Jorn Utzon, its unique white sail-like design has made it an iconic symbol of Australia, attracting millions of visitors each year. The venue hosts a variety of performances including opera, ballet, theater, and concerts, making it a cultural hub for both locals and tourists. Beyond its performances, the Opera House also offers tours, dining options, and special events, making it a must-visit for anyone traveling to Sydney. Great Barrier Reef. The world's largest coral reef system, the Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast and comprises over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. It offers unparalleled snorkeling and diving experiences, allowing visitors to witness diverse marine life and vibrant coral formations. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to thousands of species of fish, mollusks, and birds, making it a vital and vibrant ecosystem. In addition to its natural beauty, the reef supports numerous scientific studies aimed at understanding and preserving marine biodiversity, making it not only a tourist attraction but also a critical environmental resource. Uluru, Ayers Rock. A massive sandstone monolith in the heart of the Northern Territory, Uluru is sacred to the indigenous Anangu people who have lived in the area for thousands of years. Rising 348 meters above the desert floor, it changes colors dramatically at sunrise and sunset, offering a mesmerizing view that draws visitors from around the globe. Visitors can also explore the surrounding Kata Tjuta National Park for more awe-inspiring landscapes. The park offers guided tours that provide insights into the cultural significance of Uluru and the traditional customs of the Anangu people, enriching the visitor experience with a deep sense of history and spirituality. Great Ocean Road. A scenic coastal drive in Victoria, the Great Ocean Road offers stunning clifftop views, charming seaside towns, and the iconic 12 Apostles rock formations. Stretching over 243 kilometers, it is considered one of the most beautiful drives in the world. Along the way, travelers can explore rainforests, waterfalls, and wildlife, making it an unforgettable journey. In addition to its natural wonders, the route features historical sites and memorials, such as the Great Ocean Road Memorial Arch, which commemorates the soldiers who built the road after World War I, adding a layer of historical significance to the breathtaking scenery. Sydney Harbour Bridge, a magnificent steel arch bridge known for its breathtaking views of Sydney, the Harbour Bridge stands as an engineering marvel completed in 1932. Spanning the sparkling waters of Sydney Harbour, it connects the city's bustling central business district with the scenic North Shore. Visitors can embark on the famous bridge climb experience, scaling to the top for unparalleled panoramic views of the city skyline, the Opera House, and the surrounding areas. The bridge also serves as a vital thoroughfare for vehicles, trains, and pedestrians, playing a crucial role in Sydney's transportation network. Its iconic silhouette is a symbol of the city, attracting millions of tourists each year. Daintree Rainforest, one of the oldest rainforests in the world, the Daintree Rainforest is a lush, verdant expanse teeming with unique flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Spanning approximately 1,200 square kilometers, this pristine environment is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its incredible biodiversity and ecological significance. Nature enthusiasts can explore numerous trails, boardwalks, and guided tours that weave through the dense jungle, offering glimpses of exotic birds, reptiles, and plant species. The Daintree River, with its tranquil waters, is a popular spot for boat tours where visitors can spot lurking crocodiles and other fascinating wildlife. The rainforest's ancient beauty and serenity make it a haven for ecotourism and adventure. Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island. Fraser Island is celebrated for its stunning beaches, crystal clear freshwater lakes, and diverse wildlife. Stretching over 120 kilometers along Queensland's coast, the island is a natural wonder characterized by its unique ecosystems, including sand dunes, rainforests, and mangrove forests. Visitors can marvel at towering trees growing directly from the sand, spot wild dingoes roaming free, and swim in the pristine waters of Lake Mackenzie, known for its pure silica sand and vibrant blue hue. Fraser Island offers abundant opportunities for adventure, including 4WD tours across sandy tracks, camping under the stars, and fishing in the abundant coastal waters. Its untouched beauty makes it a favorite destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Bondi Beach, one of Sydney's most famous beaches, Bondi Beach is a vibrant hub renowned for its excellent surfing conditions, golden sands, and lively atmosphere. Stretching over a kilometer, the beach is fringed by cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops, creating a bustling social scene favored by both locals and tourists. Bondi is not just a haven for surfers. Swimmers, sunbathers, and families flock to its shores to enjoy the sun and surf. The Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, a scenic trail that hugs the rugged coastline, offers breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, charming rock pools, and picturesque beaches along the way. Bondi's energetic vibe and stunning scenery make it an essential stop on any Sydney itinerary. Kangaroo Island, a sanctuary for native wildlife and dramatic landscapes, Kangaroo Island provides an unparalleled opportunity to see kangaroos, koalas, and sea lions in their natural habitats. Located off the coast of South Australia, the island encompasses a variety of ecosystems, from dense bushland to rugged coastlines. Visitors can explore national parks and wildlife reserves, each offering unique experiences such as guided tours, hiking trails, and wildlife spotting. Remarkable rock formations like the aptly named Remarkable Rocks and Admiral's Arch are geological wonders that draw photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. The island's pristine beaches, clear waters, and abundant marine life also make it a prime spot for snorkeling, diving, and exploring tide pools. Kangaroo Island's untouched wilderness and rich biodiversity make it a must-visit destination for those seeking a deeper connection with nature. Blue Mountains, a mountainous region near Sydney. The Blue Mountains are known for their dramatic scenery, eucalyptus forests, and the famous Three Sisters rock formation. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers numerous hiking trails, scenic lookouts, and charming villages to explore. Visitors can marvel at the panoramic views from Echo Point, enjoy the Blue Mountains Scenic Railway, and explore the Jenolan Caves, one of the oldest cave systems in the world. The region also boasts luxurious retreats and spas, making it a perfect getaway for relaxation and adventure alike. Barossa Valley, one of Australia's premier wine regions, the Barossa Valley is renowned for its Shiraz and gourmet food. Visitors can tour vineyards, enjoy wine tastings, and dine at renowned restaurants, all set against a backdrop of rolling hills and picturesque countryside. The region's rich history and heritage are reflected in its well-preserved architecture and cultural experiences. Beyond wine, the Barossa offers a vibrant farmers market, cycling trails, and artisan produce, making it a culinary haven for food and wine lovers. Tasmania's wilderness, home to pristine natural landscapes, Tasmania's wilderness includes national parks, rugged coastlines, and abundant wildlife. Visitors can explore Cradle Mountain, hike through dense forests, and witness the stunning beauty of places like Freycinet National Park with its iconic Wineglass Bay. Tasmania is also known for its unique wildlife, including the Tasmanian devil, wombats, and various bird species. Adventure seekers can enjoy activities such as kayaking, mountain biking, and exploring the island's numerous hiking trails. Tasmania's wilderness offers a sanctuary for those looking to reconnect with nature. Melbourne's laneways explore the vibrant street art, cafes, and boutiques in Melbourne's famous narrow streets and alleys. The laneways are a cultural hub offering hidden gems of art, culinary delights, and unique shopping experiences that reflect the city's creativity and diversity. Hosier Lane and De Grave Street are particularly popular spots for both locals and tourists, featuring ever-changing murals and a variety of eateries. The laneways also host small galleries, record stores, and eclectic shops, making them a must-visit for anyone exploring the heart of Melbourne. Whitsunday Islands, a stunning archipelago near the Great Barrier Reef, the Whitsunday Islands are known for their white, sandy beaches and clear blue waters. Visitors can sail, snorkel, and relax on famous beaches like Whitehaven Beach, or explore the underwater wonderland of the reef with its colorful corals and diverse marine life. The islands offer a tropical paradise for those seeking both adventure and relaxation, with luxury resorts and eco-friendly accommodations available. Activities such as helicopter flights over Heart Reef and diving excursions make the Whitsundays a dream destination for nature lovers and water sports enthusiasts. The Outback. Experience Australia's vast desert landscapes, rich indigenous culture, and adventure opportunities in remote locations like Alice Springs and the Red Centre. The Outback offers unique experiences such as camel rides, visits to ancient rock art sites, and stargazing under some of the clearest skies in the world. The rugged terrain and isolation make it a destination for those seeking a true adventure. Iconic landmarks like Uluru and Kings Canyon provide breathtaking landscapes and deep cultural significance, offering visitors a chance to learn about the Aboriginal heritage and traditions that have shaped the region for thousands of years. Melbourne's vibrant laneways, the stunning Whitsunday Islands, and the vast outback all highlight the incredible diversity of Australia's landscapes and experiences. From urban adventures filled with street art and unique shops, to the tropical paradise of pristine beaches and rich marine life, and finally, the rugged terrains and cultural depths of the outback, there's something for every type of traveler. Whether you're into city exploration, island relaxation, or desert adventures, these destinations provide unforgettable experiences and breathtaking beauty. If you enjoyed learning about these remarkable Australian locations, don't forget to like the